The BLT sandwich you see on your screen, I made in about 7 minutes, and that includes prep time. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Well, hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. And on this video, I'm going to share with you my brand new and soon to be my favorite kitchen appliance or kitchen gadget. Now, I ordered this from Amazon because I wanted a kitchen grill or griddle that fit on the countertop that was easy to clean. And it turns out that you can actually put it in the dishwasher. I bought it mostly for cooking hamburgers, but then I found out that you can make bacon on it in almost no time. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to make the quickest BLT sandwich you have ever made. This countertop grill features an exceptionally durable cooking surface, and it is composed of 4 parts: the lower grill, the upper grill, the control panel, and the dip tray. And for your information, this long silver probe is a thermistor, and there's no risk of electrical shock if you touch it. Now let's start by placing the bacon on the unheated grill for our BLT sandwich. Yes, I said unheated. This grill does not have an on or off switch, so be sure not to plug it in until after you finish assembling the bacon. I suggest weaving the bacon on the grill to ensure plenty of bacon for every bite. After all, we're making a BLT here. You can't have too much bacon. Here's how I do it. Now we can close the lid and plug in the grill. This is how the bacon looks after 5 minutes. And this is how it looks after 6 minutes. Ready to go on some paper towels in preparation for assembling the BLT. Well, there you go, folks. In my opinion, the fastest way to make a BLT and cleanup is a breeze because the grill goes in the dishwasher. For those of you who would like to get one of these amazing dishwasher-friendly grills, we have them available on our Amazon store. Just click the link on the lower left-hand corner of your screen or find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.